Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically reply to Instagram comments in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. First, please make sure that you have already connected your Instagram to nerDigital Chatbot marketing. If you want to learn how to do that, please watch our tutorial. Second, you need to have a flow with the Instagram comment reply message type. Once these two are set, you can go ahead and start using the Instagram comment tool. To do that, navigate to Tools. Then choose the Instagram comment tool. Here you can choose between all posts and specific post. Then, we are choosing the flow we created for this tutorial. You may add a public reply to comment too. Click on More Options if you want to customize it further. Once all set, click Save. Now, let's test. There you have it. You just learned how to use the Instagram comment tool. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.